Nti se the base no tia ekuo bi a yatia the base of Kennedy Agyapong.
A base a motia mo de
ejina homa Honorable Kennedy Agyapong.
Base to rescue Ghana. No ejina ho de ma Kennedy Ohene Agyapong.
If you say meet me the President Akufo Addo, former president Kufuor omunyina infanto ho omunyina anya the base o hwe me nya pani Alan na wonya the base ninti no okwa na osamba oba na ayhwete pansam wodie okoye no ehu se okura adwempa ne nimdie a Ghana ihwe ne ya binya so mfaso nti e ma ne mfa ne nimdie ne na adwempa na nkwasam ado nti ese the base of Kennedy Agyapong no yenya ne timopo ene nimdie no eka oman Ghana asase so ninya so mfaso ene tina ya form the base of Kennedy Agyapong.
Is it the base no ejina homa Kennedy Agyapong well established?
Yes sir.
Ntejuma be na be den mo be den
ejuma be de ye woso die kase da so se third force eneba
third force.
Yes sir.
Mentiache
ye wo party akase mienu ene wo Ghana NPP ene wo NDC.
Yes.
We kwa 8 years na we aba. We kwa 8 years na we aba. Ye hu de o ma no ye ko bonkuma se ye ko nifa. Na de bia ye mienu pia no ye na edin se ebeyi. Na se emiensa o wonu se anye ya we beba ho. Nti o be careful. Nti se ba ko be kan na third force Ghana for be hu fa so ne hu o fa Ghana so serious say ye o ma no o hwe enura hu ne bi ma me wura hu ye se ye wo asase kase crossing Burkina na Ghana for ecofantos e wo Burkina na yekoku Ghana for e wo ekwan so na se wo hwe akoma dan ne san asase da ho nyina chi a na se third force ama na se o man Ghana ihu ba bia yeko.
And the third force means multi party.
Ekuo no de the base of Kennedy Agyapong. Na ye beti party so. Enti ne fe third force no.
To rival NPP and the NDC.
Yeah.
Mira, so we NPP ni.
Na me ye NPP ni.
Ah, they say what free?
Opini. Me metra ha sebe o bibiye, me so o bibiye.
Of course.
Na me metra media grow.
Okay.
NPP e nsokura enkaminum bi. E Kennedy Agyapong Japan ti na mkoboa no. Na ka Bawumia ne yere dia nka media NPP out. Me ye NPP ni bi.
Wojai.
NPP e nsokura enkaminum bi.
Asemna no ehio.
Opini.
Because I've known you to be Obi a wabo NPP.
The base na medical actual mom na meka asemba ku mienu bi ansa. We say miwura mu studio ano mani agiye ehun say makọ studios ba ko mienu miensa. Ba mu de sonko. Nti mu wo ni so de hu a minim say ni wura no be businessman.
Oh, a businessman.
Enuntra.
A businessman.
If you say businessman, the papa
of course.
Until here, other studios, no more mudi ya. Yes, no.
Yeah, that's it.
Until me born about to say, Uncle Conanim.
Ate.
Na 2028, 29. You be another businessman or Baba president. Yeah, you be here and so on. Also, na junche. Any ninim dear. Until say the base no tia. Ekuo bi a yatia the base of Kennedy Agyapong.
A base a motia mo de
ejina homa Honorable Kennedy Agyapong.
Base to rescue Ghana. No ejina ho de ma Kennedy Ohene Agyapong.
If you say meet me the President Akufo Addo, former president Kufuor omunyina infanto ho omunyina anya the base o hwe me nya pani Alan na wonya the base ninti no okwa na osamba oba na ayhwete pansam What dear okoye no ehun se okura adwempa ne nimdie a Ghana ehwe ne ya binya so mfaso ntie ma ne mfa ne nimdie ne na adwempa ne nkwasa mado ntie se the base of Kennedy Agyapong no yenya ne timopo ene nimdie no eka oman Ghana asase so ni so mfaso ene tina ya form the base of Kennedy a compare ko Agyapong.
Is it the base no ejina homa Kennedy Agyapong well established?
Yes sir.
Ntejuma be na be den mo be den
Ejuma ebe de ye woso die kase da so se third force eneba
third force.
Yes sir.
Mentiache
ye wo party akase mienu ene wo Ghana NPP ene wo NDC.
Yes.
We kwa 8 years na we aba. We kwa 8 years na we aba. Ye hu de o ma no ye kobonkuma se ye konifa. Na de bia ye mienu pia no ye na edin se ebeyi. Na se emiensa o wonu se anye ya we beba ho. Nti o be careful. Nti se ba ko be kan na third force Ghana for be hu fa so ne hu o fa Ghana so serious. Se de o ma no o hwe enura me hu ne bi ma me wura hu ye se ye wo asase kase krasen Burkina na Ghana for ekofan tools ewo Burkina na ekokun Ghana for ewo ekwan so na se wo hwe akoma dan ne san asase da ho ni nyina chi a na se third force ama na se o man Ghana ihu ba bia yeko.
And the third force means multi party
eko no de the base of Kennedy Agyapong na ye beti party so and in a third force no
to rival NPP and the
NDC.
Na Mira, so we NPP ni.
Na me NPP ni.
They say what free?
Opini. Me metra ha sebe o bibi ye, me so bibi ye.
Of course.
Na me metra media grow.
Okay.
NPP e nsokura enkamenu bi. E Kennedy a compare Kwabena Agyapong nti na me koboa no. Na ka Bawumia ne yere dia nka media NPP out me ye NPP ni biem.
What jai?
NPP e nsokura enkamenu bi.
Asemna no ehio.
Opini.
Because I've known you to be obi a wabo NPP for very long time. All of a sudden,
ye de ye wona say anya o ya enya ofaye. Yentimi ntina ho ema obutse abronye ensore emfa Kennedy ya only workers kwa no workers more than 1,000. Na abronye only workers we say 2 or 3 ntino na odinima aye from na osora na pa na obeti se wo ye adwuma ma na bo Kennedy a compare Kwabena Agyapong na obi te se abronye eguru anim ase ya me no ka say ye to abawie nye obi na ka kire mi o mo say obi another 2 factories. Na sani pa we u jana chidie akodi ho achi biem NPP why na apart from President Akufo ya obe president no oye bricks factory bi to bi e wojolo why na oba omani mu a odi ani so de hunu sa abase me do Asante region ye here tourism ye de ba ha e be make ye be see airport ke see we yes Asante region emfa so be ne yan free sa airport no so airport no ni baba na Friday Saturday Sunday no omunyina ko back to Accra no be ko be dey emfa so ne yan free so as a businessman bia oba omi anya emfa so free sa airport na ye be see ye no untimi emfa Kennedy to bia wo NPP to me George Tibonsu papa no woni so de hunu.
Okay.
Enka me nya me workers ho Monday morning e metan ofidie so eno me di ho nkomo me ma de pa e wonu
nsema woni me ken ya third force be ya another political party a eye Kennedy Ohene Agyapong ho enti na sa party bai modi nkomo Kennedy ya we
Kennedy de min to min kan che say min na di nkomo na enipa na watch na ye ba no min to min bo omudin wa ha e pese e pia mo amohu say yes e serious na obi a metimi me wo yere e wo ma e wo abusia na me de me life ato amasa enipa no de that means me serious.
And the Kennedy nyawe na se mo se mo third force no chine bi ni Kennedy Babe Gaza me de minim third force bi amoma me NPP nia se ne mo bregu
Kennedy betima ba se otibonsu me se mo se third force
be third force bi
se Kennedy wa ma yen ko NPP yenim de beye ye na se bi so
dia na mo na isiso
ye na se so se o manga na edi apinisie hwese na no obi firi Russia bae now ye ma ahofefo now obi firi secretary bi odema man ntino hwe de obegu o manga na anim ase news na call ye na anko se o man na call ye na abusuafo nko anim na gu ase o manga na nya na anim gu ase senka ye wadwuma ye ngobi okonkwa broche enko London enko hu emana ahofefo na so obi firi Ghana se o skantino okoyisu omo saa entil mesremo o manga na ye for o man serious now we say obi ofiri Russia or this kakatu obi abadada ye ma gu Ghana ani ase ye ni o man panyina wa ba o say medu ha me adwuma we ama o man we medu ha me we ama o man we na say o man o mu adwuma ya ofi sanka bitme abasa adwuma ni o man ni mu adwuma ni apart from galamsey
is it that Kennedy Agyapong you are aware but you are just trying to test waters mo pese mo test waters no na mo hu say grounds are fertile and sana Kennedy Agyapong in anima na say genuinely before God the man Kennedy ni more
opa ni me ma wo fidie so me bu mo station ni pa emetena enka se mese minasi bibi so na idru ho so a
ma wo se wo nice bibi so
man Ghana ebehunu na mitimi ma bontin sisi a na wo hwe se ye beto oba no mi hu FM stations radio stations TV stations a omo some ibi hu se abontiso for mpadodo se ne Kennedy ba bontin me hu ye peace from the crowd dey by ma ye hu ni nyina ba wo hwe se ni pandodo millions now here delegates for so mo say ebia nipa ketewa bi ekoche omadwena enya omo de nso na ye befa atie se omo na se omo pe Kennedy Agyapong so omo pe no de o man nipa do no beka no ene na yetie ene so ho dwuma na ye ni sesi a de o manfo ka se manfo na ma ye nto aba ene na ye yetie a ye just say the base of Kennedy Kweku Agyapong
ebia the time betimi aba why do you have to move away from
emre ni ba bia akọ
election we BBC ya enimu ata bibia nsi mu lusui as election mu lusui bibia nsi enti
bibi nsi enipa na omuyi ni baaye no Ghana for Aremeyaw no
okay
2023
okay
ama nipa be say 1.8 Antoba
yeah
then next 2028-29 no mentena wo fidie so enipa Antoba no ombabro more than 3 or 4 million
ena mo ntoaba
nti nipa de omokoyi no na omfa ensign ba bi hwe se nipa beto aba no ebe do say
you speak as if there's some hatred be wo homa Bawumia no ankata when no personal problem
mene ne yire ene na bushafo ewo problem ba nya no so ntina me begina ha akasa opa ko businessman
bone ne yire ene na bushafo but ono in person ankata de oni ni problem
that be that by one man onye leader mame
I don't see him to be a leader
no
but still you can still be in the queue Kennedy tam bet me aso ana
Kennedy
but you go out of the NPP and tell what will be the
Kennedy tam no eni Kennedy tam no eni
I think we are bad losers
oh ebia wadwene na wo kasa ba meme de minim se emre no aso ama compare kon Kennedy
Agyapong
nti mistremo mbetna ha metna nkasa se me de ya obi na kasa me de odo me wo ma o man Ghana eni de bit ma ya ma o man Ghana ho asem na me de tudwa ama Ghana for agya tum say third force is coming na yen hwe ni mu
mo start ye bibia na
ukwa abuchefo kwa de o mutia enra ye be share centrofo enra ewo kumase wa na wo hweze abuchefo no the way mo enna anajo me da be 225 ansana mitmada me ne wo mo Zoom meetings sa won ko de mo nya brese omu ja omu djuma nyina betan Ghana abaye adwuma ma the base of Kennedy Agyapong Japan opani die ba no so na mse beboa o man Ghana na bieka enyina na
money ala nkasa yo so beba o mbeka bo matese money na kasa
men die metna fidie so enka die minim you say my life baby what to say Kennedy Agyapong Japan me ka street die minim na maka die minim menka by do ba mbuhu so obeba na o ma mo nkasa mbuhu no
cheda so
entina Mr. Sammy metna enwama ni mo ha ne na duru ho a mbuhu mpadodo a e wachira eba e ho na mo hu say yes emre ni
mun take q mfm free obeda samwa Konadu Ajiman Rollins Gusi Tando Alankra and mun take q say Sanko for from political parties it was like third force gig some more here mama Kennedy in the political career what we no so
me pa cho ya dwene ho pa na sa ni pa ubobo mu ni no mimu obia nimtia mimu omu nyina nimtia na omu nyina no omu anya the base e bia obasamo no onya the base ada ina ubo ni no obia need the base until I planted the foundation of Kennedy Agyapong Japan the base of Kennedy Agyapong until who to say the base ni dia say ye ni abre sanko for obo mu di nyina no omu anya base ba Kennedy dia o base si a
the base no nkata no de adwuma na me rotibos moye ene say mo ko forma na ana mo
ye ko forma aton me ko presbya asore na presbya asore me ko ye no misua nyansa ni nimdie pi free mu e free bibi asempatre asempa e wo Kennedy mu no ene de trama wiasefo nyina hu se papa na ye ne ba ne so mfa so na wa se abet nti abet die ne so mfa so pi ye de ye ne ma pi so nti no asempatre no ene na ye hase ye tre Kennedy ho asem amana ko the whole world
into 2028 ye be hu Kennedy ohine Japan iti e ballot paper so
pacho yenstra ahoden yenstra mpaibo na Yakopon emfa no ye
o de dum ye
dia ebe hu Yakopon enmo nyambeda di ama wiase mama nyina hu se Yakopon na cancel
December 7 28 me fa sheet ni se wa hoden e wo bibia na Kennedy tip da ho
o se wa ka no ebebem awurade ka no ebebem se obi na ebuna nfia e de yemu na nfia da na de nyame ka no ebebem
Enchai and NPP Tamayuku no one more equal primaries the 31st of January and one more primaries. My say Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia and Amayuku no yino. Na enra menenam social media and hunu video bi. Ya na menka the press conference ya na press conference no say Amayuku fufro eba be free NPP Amayuku ni mo aba. A new breakaway political party. Na me tie video no na mu no na asasem no kamia se eya no kre ma menkwa ahoma ne so na me ne owura George Otibonsu oye NPP financier ya ye ka honorable kan Kweku Agyapong dia ne boafo prekope oboa ne papa kwandua sanyinem ya sikasem so eka ho owura George Otibuaten abeka me sawa ahoma no so chama otemenka
Bajo midine George Otibonsu ni Otibuaten
Otibonsu fatame Otibonsu fatame papa ba so ho ye de
Bajo ya dum
na wadaruma enra video no am share ye no asami hu video no ana say new political party but to me hu wom ayawa
Bajo ana
ayawa na me hu video ni mu no
yes
entinata new political party at the one free NPP mu no aya no kra sane me hu video ni mu no
Bajo ana
Yedi kai party ni din the same.
A cool, yeah, a friend, the base.
The base.
And your party, a din. Now, the base of Kennedy Agyapong Japan. And I form the base. I am part or Dampare one team. Your man and Kwaku Annan. And you can form the base of Kennedy Agyapong. And your party and the base.
Okay.
Man Ghana for Mugiano. Yeah, Kennedy Agyapong. And then I form close a woman come you Kennedy Agyapong. Say 2028, honestly, Baba or man Ghana so that's what Bamano.
Okay. Me pacho so ka say ye kuo ya matia. It means ye kuo still anu mo da so ye NPP ma. Sanete.
There be a third force. Yeah, but Kakano.
A third force.
Yes.
Ooh. And I just say enye kuo a mo da so NPP amayokuo num. That's matem ho.
And ya tie ho. Ye ho. Yati yem polo NPP almost buying omoniema delegates for more eto abano Ghana omusa enyo mo na be chere Ghana pope Ghana pope monfa asmes mra monfa bentemra eno na parents delegates for say omfa na ma entra ho ma pan emfa amemrefie enkwa atamando ese ye chere ni bonyam no nso che o man Ghana ni bonyam.
Okay, but me can pass after election no results ne ba ye ma fe e beto dwa say Dr. Bawumia wini. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong no ananum ebra wa concede no or the tuja say ne support bia wa the better Dr. Bawumia chi kra mo de afutuo koma ono na kita for so bia nka na koma nto ne yam enya de breakaway bia beba me the sense me tuja enti dey na CMNT and the base at ne hui.
The base, honorable Kennedy Agyapong na Japan na kita for na achi ntino ono ko share the mra say the tibiano or support o mo ono ne kan by ye no so ye won nsodi hu a e ma e pese ma Ghana po nyina hu say papa no odu ba bia assistant regions na odu house meyi we akwa Asante region meyi minister we akwa ha meyi we akwa ha no ye hwe ne so de hu no a opani obi ani wo ba NPP a okurata ni so de hu ni bi ntie ma on fata ni so de hu no enkwa samando da eno ntina ya form the base of Kennedy Agyapong Japan no nti so the mini wa o jama na mu no ha me meet na mana na me wo ba di ntino no so ato so amame
Fadamame, na me ne nto ankomo no eso. Accra 100.5 FM Owura George Otibunsu. Ana na me ne no twetwe nkomo no a ene baabi owo no ase waye busy kakanti ode me ama nipa foforo. Obani mpacho na me ne ka sei.
Me bacho ye fa me sapon.
Edian sapon.
Ye fa me akwasi sapon.
Akwasi sapon.
Eba
ne sen nti amayuko baako mako prime na awie na opani no ana odimu mo kan no waje atumu se ne asi no entwam nko na momfa machita enta flag bearer amayuko no ayi no nene ma form bezi abani
yo we dey me da wasena mada Akufo nyina se say dey me pani di kaka ye no simple o hwe Ghana ye mpani fo no aba bi di o man so na etno bia ni ni so ade hu papa yi obo nto nyina am so mutie se we se mo an wo ka ne nyoma oba e wona adwin so be ye de abo o man Ghana na ya de ana ato Ghana fo akoma so yi o share the campaign and all that. Then your campaign for delegating one per se. Or your campaign, no, he said your national campaign. Why? Because the issue I didn't know. And your delegating one was more than even. So Magana pulling in, who said the bar, may you see you have. Of course, region via no to make sure against your band or region. Of course, constituency via now to Musa Hasi. And you will hear the Bahasi a beboa. Now such person no na yakoto abana party no just a few people. Just a few people are yato abana. Na media men kase because we bad yato abana die but we see abontin a wo hwa bomo na omo hwe se onabo na NPP fo be yi no na anti ama sa no yen ye hu se se de bisu kan ye no na lisu ade hu no ye obi wono mo a me bre no eda na ni no isua and so one man akwanya na wan fara me dia de ni mu ama ni die anani ni nyoma e wodi kibu no wan fara me boa na etwemu wie eno hwa papa no tu fie a owo mu no a okọ na ni mu kaka enti se ye train na le de na efa ho a me one example bi o hwe ye Burkina Faso president ya o ya o hwe ni o ma small boy no o ya me no yiri na dia dan se o contest e won e party ni se die to abama na bi anka Burkina Faso die to abama no e bi mu be ka se bi ya usha ana wo yen nu ho na sai ni die wo ye kuta nipa we na ka wo westi no ebi si ye fene se Benin okon political party race and Owusu ye no system no epe no ye ni suade hunu ni nsem a oka na wo hwe ne o ye gu akwan ma system no so no akoyi ye mane be ye mampani e beboa and wo san no steady ground no hu no me system ne peme dia me ni suade hunu na wo se be ye de me so bi tisi what tisi hu a and o win here with independent so we try 3.5 years and we should perform and all perform Benin then no more cotton and tourism. And so, country, what can say? What does it better roads to Benin? You can't take it away from that man. But aside international, we share economy, we will the cotton and tourism, what does the economy? Give me what Africa has. Okay. If you won't have any people who are Kennedy Agyapong, if you can't share my Yanisha. Our one any wish because of political party. Just a few people. Okay. We need a visionary leader. Not just a president.
I was just upon sir the base here Matia free NPP me. I dey on Kennedy Agyapong of Waso.
Minia meka se of Waso ana on Waso no. Em say me papa oti go fidi kaka asembi. Say ye hunu na ni suade hunu nti. You are maybe one ma wo share guma no na wa free di pano na kono a
meba nipa no a efuaso no eno so mo mayen hye biribi ase na se se ya nipa no anum waka se party no ade a ode na tita ma flag bearer ya to abaya yi no
o se waka ewi ase adi se kwasia and was sending your mouth Masia, a yard, a beer, a even fan say, the weapons are, and any secret or the trouble came will be only seen because of me. What is here? Yeah, who say, the view of a pen so yeah, Jumana only there. Yiano, I'm over the D and Mamma Edinaco. We sit to the 28, second boss in Kakayano. All our booking in the Japan or Pew, the base, yet the never back, that is the Chiaba about I will be able.
Hey, Asami.
More of them, one class, this is blue.
And to say, I am just NPP. A moache, one, a more Sanche view. After Honorable Agyapong,
can I say NPP watch it? Then can I say NPP watch it? The Nippon NPP more, no more support to Ken. What you here? Yet, probably we are still a month or NPP more. What you here? And they won't go for you also are. Oman we say, Omo Ken supporters. Yet, probably, telling ya. Omo hwe make na ni so ade hu ne enye waste ye wo ordinary Ghanaians so a omo nya NPP fo omo nya NDC fo omo peke na ni so ade hu no the same thing e won go bi wo NDC mu so omo so peke na ni so ade hu CPP PNC yen san go yen ekuna ya ke no enye NPP fo ngo awu Ghana fo a abedon ye catch us NDC fo bibiri kwa wo a you have no idea we be ko CPP mu a lot of people there are some meetings are who personalities need you all from my brother. Oh, Yamba show. What you say across the country, and yeah, the people. Now, the American United say, a branding glue, and a movie who say the grace, and yet magic it one and you know.
A call has been put on hold.
Political
Please
party
wait.
here, anyone of my airbano, kakaka, and buy it. But yes, starting over baby. Now, Kwaku do the Binaya Kono, let it why they have other journey. Now, me say, what the among few months ahead of us. What the Uber say, NPP, say, you say, CPP. Yang, you have a one thing, I will be able to say, yes, debate. They are very strong. They are very strong.
Okay.
And it will shock everybody.
Okay. And didn't want the base, because me who so say as a party be movement patriotic party. Me bacho no so e ka mu din no.
I almost say papa no na do for doso.
Movement patriotic party.
E Kweku be can now Kweku ahodo mako ye 105. I forgot the exact figure no. Over 100 and something ani atete ani dey support on aboken. E ba ni say no bebre di e wo mu se papa den so ade hu no. Ase ya ye waste. So mu nyina se bi mu form we ya wo say papa ba obi so create the movement for blah 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 say they walking. What you say? But ni nyina ni kamfu ano. Omu nyina e ba on board. Aba be share the base mu. Eti ko ni nyina ya kan nyina bomba akwa ye the base.
Okay.
Eti we ni de say they walk ano. Obi di a o man fa so no so ye de atom pramamu. Any ade but the base any kuwa ye de on aboken e ba order wo prewu. On pro Kennedy on kan je say yan go form the base. Yen the who shall be viewed, young must add in your wish.
Okay.
If you could do pempers will be a on pill or Babylonian.
Well, my third force me be some final question. Idea money, you know, more money and more free MP Tamayukonim. United Party for money on over Cambum, nothing more pretumino. I was
sorry now, United Party for any Yagin Koya Bakon, not PNC, any Bakon, CPP, any Bakon. And I think that Manaka and simple. And I simple because everybody would in Libya that can't wash from a certain political parties. Maybe NPP, maybe NDC, maybe other parties in me. I wouldn't be a sample for on board and get play. So you better show now, you people about the granny, and I see you people are Kabum, other political parties, which is something about Kabum. And my name is
I see.
Possible.
All right. I was see, my men know I say now, young fan come on. Is that me power the base? I'm just saying.
The base, me, I just gone up first. Second one, the base, me, I just gone up first. Third one, a job for the youth.
Okay, and you can see my men power now, James William Van Community. The base, the base, the base,
Ghana first,
the base.
One. Job for the youth.
Akwesi Sapon and meneno atwetwen komo nansa no beba no ura George Otibunsu enso so meneno atwetwen komo.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.